How to do chrome nails, multi-chrome edition. To do chrome nails, we're going to need a base color, a base coat and a top coat, and most importantly, the chrome powder. I'm putting on UV protectant gloves because we will be using a UV light to cure the polish. We're going to go in with 100% acetone and a cotton pad. We're going to wipe it on the nails just to remove any oils that might be on them. This will help make the manicure last as long as possible. Now we're going to put a base coat on the nails. We're going to put thin layers on each nail. And then cure for 20 seconds. Now we're going to go in with our base color. I'm using black because chrome powder tends to show up best on darker colors. We're putting top coat on. It is important that we only cure top coat for 20 seconds. That is how chrome powder adheres best. We're just going to rub the chrome powder on the top coat. It's okay to get chrome powder on the cuticle and skin around the nail because as long as you don't put top coat on the skin, it will wash off. Now we're dusting off the excess chrome powder with a fan brush and putting a layer of top coat on top of the chrome powder. Now we can take off our UV gloves. I took my nails outside because I think that natural lighting helps show off the multi-chrome best. It's a very pretty shifting purple and green color. Hopefully now you can do your own chrome nails at home. Thank you for watching.